Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In this video, we're going to learn more about our knowledge base, or basically our help center. So you notice from the dashboard, we have at the bottom right of the screen, we have a little smiley face here. So if I click on it, the first thing you'll notice is that it says, "Hi, how can we help?" And if you have any problems at all, you can send us a message by clicking on this area and say, "Test, I need help," and you can send it and we will be able to respond within a few hours. There we go, our usual reply time, a few hours. So now let's go back. How can we help? Well, we can also search for help. So if I click on this, you'll notice that we have different sections. We have Getting Started with Mortgage MarketSmart, the Top Lender Market Share and Top Loan Officer Toolset, Real Estate Listings, and so on. And under each, you'll notice there's a number associated with the number of articles that you can view for each section. And so if I were to click on the Lender Market Share and Top Loan Officer Toolset, I could click on this, and there are 4 videos that help directly with that. Just like you're watching a help video right now, what happens is we would select the Loan Officer and Lender Breakout, for example, and then I would get access to this video here, and then the play-by-play, or basically step-by-step view of how to walk through those that effort, or that what you're trying to do. So just like that. But also, in addition to that's the smiley face, right? So in addition, I can minimize the smiley face by clicking on the little down caret here. The other thing to know for help is if you click on Start a Project, at the top of the screen, this is our blank map, but at the top of the screen there is a question mark. And if you click on that question mark, there is a new tab that opens, and it says Advice and Answers from the Mortgage MarketSmart team. So you'll notice these different help topics, very similar to what I just showed you in terms of having videos associated with these. But in addition, if you've ever said, you know what, I wonder what variables there are in Mortgage MarketSmart. So we could click on the Data Variable and Definitions set, for example. And these are the data variables and definitions, specifically the origination variables, the demographic variables, and then some descriptions. So if we were to click on the originations set here, I could click on it, and you'll notice that we have this nice little section about what the different origination variables are and how to type them into MarketSmart, and the naming conventions and so on. And this is a handy way to download this attribute list. Just clicking on this will help open an Excel file that contains all of these naming conventions, so that when you are ready to add a data set to the map, you'll be able to do so. And specifically what I mean is if I return to this original tab, we can add a layer and add a forecast or demographic layer, and then we can call this 2023 forecast for Dallas. And then here you'll notice that one of the shortcuts that is listed in the previous tab, so in here where it says, hey, if you wanted all occupancy purchase loans, you would say AO and then P and then L. And I think there are some examples here. So here we go. All occupancy, all purchase loans. All occupancy is the segment, purchase is for P, and loan is the unit. So AOPL is what you would need. We take this shortcut, we go back to original tab, we type in AOPL, and then the system recognizes, oh, here is your selection, and you want total purchase loans. So we click on that, hit 2023, choose census tract, and then MSAs, we pick Dallas, and hit save, and there you go. The platform is able to show us the specific census tracts in Dallas for 2023. And obviously we are not limited. If we ever wanted to change this, by the way, we could always go to theme and always change the attribute here. So the shortcuts that you find in this Excel document will be of use, and as you add them here and change the map. That has been our help repository, or our knowledge base. Thanks for watching. See you next time.